Hello! In this video, I'd like to present our KZM1 filling and bagging system, designed for dosing and packing of dry free-flowing or small-piece materials into 5 to 50 kilogram bags. The system consists of a vibration dosing feeder, three-meter belt conveyor, and a sewing head on an adjustable stand. Maximum dose is from 5 to 50 kilograms. As for output, it may reach 25 tons per hour. The system allows filling and sewing bags from 60 to 110 centimeters high. The dosing feeder rests on a frame, which is equipped with adjustable supports and a hopper. For operators' convenience, there is a ladder and a maintenance platform. The operating principle is based on using an equal arm balance for leveling the weight of a free-flowing material fed into a bag with the target weight. When a bag is secured to the throat of the dosing feeder, the operator opens the sliding shutter, and the product in a small flow fills the bag. The operator then releases the bag, which drops onto the conveyor belt and moves towards the sewing station. The sewing head closes the bag with double-thread chain stitch. The sewing head is actuated by a foot switch. Both the stand with the sewing head and the conveyor rest on adjustable supports. The filling and bagging machine in this video features a 3-meter conveyor belt. At your request, Jasco can design and manufacture a conveyor belt of any desired length within the accuracy of 5 centimeters. The conveyor is equipped with a foreign-made reduction gear, which requires no maintenance during the whole operational lifespan. The conveyor features a 3-layer seamless belt. The guardrails are made of aluminum and adjustable in height and width. KZM1 filling and bagging system by Jasco comes with a 2-year warranty period.